السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. المسألة دي بتقول solve for theta in the specified domain. Give solutions as exact values where possible. Otherwise, give approximate measure to the nearest thousands. So it is said 16 sine squared theta minus 4 equals 0. We move this 4 to the other side by adding 4 to both sides of the equation. This cancels out, so 16 sine squared theta equals 4 divided by 16 divided by 16. So sine squared theta equals 4 over 16. We can simplify divided 4 divided 4. So sine squared theta equals 4 divided 4 is 1. 16 divided 4 is 4. So squaring both sides of the equation. So square root will cancel out power 2. So sine theta equals positive and negative. Square root 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So we have two solutions. Sine theta equals 1/2 and sine theta equals negative 1/2. This means using asterisk rule, ASTC, so when sine is positive in quadrant number 1 and quadrant number 2, and sine is negative at quadrant number 3 and quadrant number 4. So we have two solutions here, quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, and two solutions in quadrant number 3 and quadrant number 4. It is said here in this domain. So the domain here is negative pi. So we have from 0 to negative pi. This is half circle or half revolution. And from negative pi to 0 and then to 2 pi. So from 0 to 2 pi, we have from 0, one complete revolution to 2 pi. So this is the domain from negative pi to 0 to pi to 2 pi. This is the domain. Okay. Now, sine theta equals 1/2. We move theta to the other side, sine. So theta equals inverse sine of 1/2. If we use calculator, inverse sine of 1/2 is inverse sine of 1/2, and this is degree. So the answer will be in degree 30 degrees. And if we make the mode to be in radian, shift mode, radian is 4. So shift sine inverse sine 1/2 is pi over 6. So this we can make this or pi over 6. This is the answer. And theta inverse sine of negative 1/2 is, the calculator will give negative pi over 6. Shift sine negative 1 over 2. The answer is negative pi over 6 or negative 30. So it is negative 30 degree or negative pi over 6. So we will have negative 30 degree and positive 30 degree. So what else gives the same sign like this? 30 degree here and 30 degree here and 30 degree here and 30 degree here. Why? Because we said we have sine is negative in quadrant number 3 and 4. Sine is positive in quadrant number 1 and 2. So we have 4 solutions here and 2 solutions here. We can calculate theta for each of these measurements or these angles. So we said this is 30 degree, negative 30 degree, and 30 degree, and we have 30, 30, 30, 30. Always 30 is between x-axis and the terminal. 30 and 30 and 30 and 30. 6 solutions. This angle with negative, it is negative 30 degree. And this angle is negative 150 degree. Because this is 90 and 180 minus 30 is 150, but negative. And this angle positive, this is positive 30 degree. And this is positive 150 degree because 180 minus 30 is 150. And this angle is 180 plus 30, which is 210 degree. And last one is 360 minus 30 is 330 degree. So we have solutions, 6 angles, negative 150 degree, negative 30 degree, positive 30 degree, positive 150 degree, positive 210 degree, and positive 330 degree. This is 330. In radian, this is negative. If you convert this to radian, multiply by pi over 180, this will be negative, I think this is negative 5 over 6, 5 pi over 6. And you convert negative 30, this would be negative pi over 6. Convert 30, this will be positive pi over 6. Convert 150, positive 5 pi over 6. Convert 210, this will be 7 pi over 6. And convert 330, this will be 11 pi over 6. So we have 6 solutions of this angle. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.